Hello guys, welcome to my channel, and today I am going to do Exp25 What Chapter 4 Cumulative Assessment Retirement. Basically this is the fourth chapter of What section of this Pearson course, and in this video I will be doing this assignment step by step, and you can get your assignment done by watching this complete video. But if you want me to do this assignment for you, or if you want me to do this complete course for you, including all the Word, Excel, PowerPoint or Access assignments, then you can contact me and you can hire me for your complete course. You can also hire me for your other courses like accounting, management, finance, information technology, computer sciences, all other writing assignments, mathematics or statistics. So at start of the instruction, we are given with project description. There is nothing to solve in this project description, but I suggest you to go through this project description so that you can get an idea about the assignment. Once you will read this project description, this will be easy for you to solve this assignment on your own. So please go through this project description, get an idea about the assignment. So then we have main part of the assignment, that is steps to perform to complete this project. And we have a total of 16 steps to get this assignment done. So in this video I will be doing each and everything. I am not only going to solve the question or steps for you, but I am going to make you learn the word as well. So if you want to learn the word, or if you want to do this assignment, please watch this complete video, follow me step by step, then you will be able to solve this assignment on your own. Okay, so now let's start with step number 1 of the assignment, that is start Word, download and open the file named Exp25 What Chapter 4 Cumulative Assessment Retirement. Grader has automatically added your last name to the beginning of file name. Display non-printing characters. Okay, so I have already downloaded this Word document. This is the Word document that we're going to use to solve this assignment. We will apply all the instructions, all the steps to this Word document, and we will make this Word document in the final form for the submission. So step number 1 of the assignment is just about downloading of this Word document. Okay, then we are supposed to show non-printing characters. So for this, go to Home tab. Okay, and in paragraph section you can see this symbol. This is for showing or hiding non-printing characters. So click on that. So we have shown non-printing characters. These are the non-printing characters. Okay, so that is all about step number 1 of the assignment, where we were supposed to download and open the Word document, then we were supposed to show the non-printing characters. Okay, so we are done with step number 1. Now we're going to do next step, that is step number 2. Ensure that the markup view is all markup. On the second page, click the indication showing the deletion of the word living, reject the change. So we are supposed to show all markup, then we will go to indication section and we will see that it is deleting the word living, and we are supposed to reject this change so that living word shouldn't be deleted. Okay, so we will go to Word document. Okay, go to Review tab. In Review tab, in markup, you can see simple markup is selected, but we are supposed to use all markup. Okay, now it is saying in the indication section living word is being deleted, but we are supposed to reject this change. We will click here. After clicking here, go to tracking, go to reject and click reject change. So now you can see that living word hasn't deleted because we have rejected the change and that is all about step number 2. Okay, now let's move to next step, that is step number 3. Accept all other tracked changes in the document and stop tracking. So now we are supposed to accept all the tracked changes and we are supposed to stop the tracking. Okay, we will go to Word document. Again go to Review tab, go to tracking, and here we can see accept. Click there and click accept all the changes and stop tracking. So we are supposed to accept all other changes and we are supposed to stop the tracking. We will click that option. Okay, so that is all about step number 3 of the assignment, and we have solved third step as well. Now we're going to move to next step of the assignment, that is step number 3. Okay, let's do step number 4 of the assignment now, and that is saying change the view to simple markup, change all headings as indicated by comments in the document. So now we will go to Word document again, and again go to review tab. After going to the review tab, just go to markup and click this arrow and change the view to simple markup. So now we are supposed to change all the headings as required in the comments. Okay, so now we will look at the comments first. This is saying this is listed as heading 2, but it should be heading 1. So now we are supposed to change this heading introduction to heading 1, as it is required in the comment that it is listed as heading 2, but we are supposed to change this to the heading 1. So click or select this heading, okay, or you can click here, then go to the home tab, and here you click on the style and select heading 1 from here. This is heading 1. Okay, change this to the heading 1. So we were supposed to change this introduction heading from heading 2 to heading 1. So now you can see that this is heading 1. Okay, so this one, now this one. Please change all the headings formatted with the heading 3 to the heading 2 style. So now we are supposed to change all those headings which are formatted as heading 3. We will change them to the heading 2. So this is formatted as heading 3. We will change this to the heading 2. Okay, also this one, change this to heading 2. Change this to heading 2. Change this to the heading 2. Change this to the heading 2. And conclusion, that is also heading 3. We will change this to heading 2. So we were supposed to change all those headings which are formatted as heading 3 to heading 2. So we have formatted all those headings from heading 3 to heading 2. Okay, so that is okay. Let me see, is there any other comment? No, there is no other comment about the heading. So okay, there is, please change this heading to a heading style 3. So we are supposed to change this to heading style 3, this one. Okay, so we are done with step number 4, where we were supposed to change the heading styles. Okay, now let's do next step, that is step number 5. And step number 5 of the assignment is saying reply to the first comment by entering done and posting the reply. So now we are supposed to reply to the first comment by entering the done. Mark the first 2 comments that are related to heading style as resolved. So now first of all, we are supposed to reply to the first comment, then we are supposed to resolve the first 2 comments that are related to the heading formatting. Okay, so now let's go to the Word document. Okay, this is the first comment, and we are supposed to reply to this one, done. After clicking here, type done and click this blue arrow. So we have replied to the first comment as done. Okay, now we are supposed to resolve first 2 comments that are related to the heading. Click 3 dots and click resolve thread. Okay, this is also about the heading. Click 3 dots and click resolve. So we have resolved first 2 comments that are related to the heading. So that is all about step number 5. So we have solved 5 steps of this assignment so far, and now we're going to do next step of the assignment, that is step number 6. Change the writing style to the APA 6th edition, applying the following format to all pages of the document except the cover page. So first of all, we are supposed to change the writing style to the APA. Then we are supposed to apply the following format to all of the pages except the cover page. So it is saying document is double spaced with the exception of the included table and any caption. So we are supposed to make the document double space with the exception of included tables and any caption. The first line of every page include a first line indent of 0.5 with the exception of heading lines, the included tables and bulleted lines. Use the paragraph dialog box to set the first line indent. So now we are supposed to apply this format to whole of the document except the cover page, and we will exclude the table heading lines as well. So now let's go to the document and do this step. So we will go to the document and we will first select the text here, and we are not supposed to include the table, so I will exclude the table from here. Then select this text. So I am selecting, first select first one, then press and hold the control button and select this one. Then 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 select this one. So I am selecting all of the text excluding the headings, captions and table as required in the instruction. Okay. So I have selected the text. One second, let me select again. So we are supposed to apply the double space formatting to all of the text excluding the tables and captions. Okay, select first one, then we are supposed to select all of this text. Here, okay, then again press and control button and select this one. Okay. Okay. So now we have selected all of the text excluding the tables and any captions. Okay. So now you can see that I haven't included the table and I haven't included this caption as well. So now go to the home tab and go to paragraph setting, and in line spacing apply double spacing. We are supposed to apply double spacing. So I have applied the double, click OK. So spacing have been changed to double space. So next thing it is saying the first line of every paragraph includes a first line indent of 0.5 with the exception of heading lines, the included tables and bulleted lines. Use the paragraph dialog box to set the first line indent. So now we are supposed to add the first line indent to every body paragraph, but we are not supposed to include the tables, headings, captions or bulleted item. Okay, now we will again select the text. Go above. Start from here, select this text. These are the bulleted item. We will not include those bulleted item. Okay, select this one. Then press and hold the control button, select this one. Okay. Then press and hold the control button and select this one. Again press and hold the control button, select this one. Press and hold the control button and select this one. Press and hold the control button, select this one. Do not include the bulleted item. Select, press and hold the control button, select this one. Okay. And press and hold the control button, select this one. So now we are supposed to apply the first line indent. Go to home tab, go to paragraph and click this arrow. From here select first line indent and 0.5. So now you can see that we have applied the first line indent to all of the body paragraph excluding the tables, headings, captions and bulleted items. Okay, so that is all about step number 6 of the assignment. So we have solved 6 steps of the assignment so far, and now we're going to do next step of the assignment, that is step number 7. Okay, step number 7 of the assignment is saying place the insertion point before the period at the end of the first sentence of the 403B plan section on page 6. So we will first go to 403B plan section on page 6. Okay. This is page 6. You can see page number here. Okay. We are supposed to go to 403B plan section, and we are supposed to click before the period at the end of the first sentence, and the sentence is ending with TSA plans. Here, TSA plan, and we are supposed to click before the period. So I have clicked there. Now, we are supposed to insert a citation to a new website. So we are supposed to insert a citation by adding a new source. So just go to reference tab. After clicking here, click insert citation and click add source. So now we are supposed to add a new source to this document because we are going to insert a citation here. So type of source is already mentioned in the instruction, that is website. So we will click website here. Then name of the web page is given, that is choosing a retirement plan. Choosing a retirement plan. We are supposed to type this here, or you can simply copy and paste here. Choosing a retirement plan, colon 403B tax sheltered, colon 403B tax sheltered annuity plan. Tax sheltered annuity plan. Okay. So we are supposed to type the name of page, or you can simply copy and paste there. The name of the website is IRS and year is 2026. Name of the website. Name of the website. Year is 2026. Website is IRS. Year is 2026. A website is not showing here, just check the box show all bibliography fields. Then you can see the name of the website here. Okay. Then month is October and day is 8. October and day is 8. Okay. Then okay, and I will simply copy the URL from here. Here we are supposed to type the URL. You will simply copy the URL from there and you will paste it here. So we are going to add a new source into this document because we are supposed to insert a citation here, and the type of new source is website. Okay, and the name of the web page is also given. You can either copy and paste it here or you can type it here. So I am typing here name of the web page, then name of the website, then year, month and day, and at the end we have URL. Okay, click OK. So now you can see that we have inserted a citation here. Okay, you can see the citation here. Okay, so that is all about step number 7. So we are done with step number 7, and now we're going to do next step, that is step number 8. And step number 8 of the assignment is saying place the insertion point before the period ending the first sentence of 401k plan. So we will go to 401k plan. First sentence. This is 401k plans, and we are supposed to insert a citation Place the insertion point before the period ending with the first sentence and the sentences ending with the individual retirement rounds. Here, individual retirement accounts, we are supposed to click before the period. So I have clicked there. Now we are supposed to add a new source, and new source is website. These are the information for the website. So click, go to reference tab, click inside citation and click add new source. Okay. So again the type of source is website. Okay. And then name of the web page is given 401k plan. That is the name of page 401k plan. Okay. That is the name of web page. Click show all bibliography fields. Check that box. Then we are supposed to type the website, that is IRS. Year is 2026, month is October, and day is 14. Website is IRS. Year is 2026, month is October, day is 14. Okay. Now we are supposed to enter the URL. So instead of entering the URL, I will just copy the URL from here and I will paste into the URL box here. Scroll down and look for the URL. Here is the URL. Okay, here we are supposed to type the URL. I will paste it here. Okay, after pasting it, click OK. So we have added a new source and we have inserted the citation 401k plan. So that is all about step number 8, where we were supposed to insert a new citation. Okay. So in this video, I have solved 8 steps out of 15 steps. That is half of the assignment that I have completed for you. But if you want me to do this complete assignment for you, or if you want me to do this complete course for you, my WhatsApp number and email is showing at the bottom of the screen. Please contact me either through WhatsApp or email and hire me for your courses. Thank you so much for watching my video. I will get back to you with another video. Thank you so much again.